Today, we're going to dive into the ABCs of wealth creation and uncover the fundamental principles for achieving financial success. I'm going to walk you through the alphabet of wealth creation, from A to Z, with 26 tips that can help you on your journey to building riches. So let's get started. Letter A. Aim high. Set ambitious but achievable goals. Dream big and push yourself to aim for success. Having clear, specific goals gives you a roadmap to follow on your wealth creation journey. Remember, setting ambitious goals challenges you to expand your capabilities, propelling you beyond your comfort zone. It's about creating a vision that excites and motivates you every day, spurring you forward in your pursuit of financial freedom. Aim not just for material wealth, but also for personal growth and fulfillment, as success is a holistic journey encompassing various aspects of life. Letter B. Budget wisely. Budgeting is crucial. Make sure you're keeping track of your expenses, understanding where your money is going, and allocating it wisely. This allows you to save, invest, and grow your wealth systematically. Remember, a well-planned budget isn't just about cutting expenses. It's also about optimizing your spending to align with your financial goals. It's a tool that empowers you to distinguish between needs and wants, allowing you to prioritize investments that will yield long-term benefits. Additionally, regularly revisiting and adjusting your budget as circumstances change is essential to maintain financial stability and growth. Letter C. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore various ways to generate money, such as side hustles, investments, or passive income sources. This spreads your risk and enhances your earning potential. Building multiple income streams isn't solely about financial security. It's a strategy that fosters resilience. By diversifying, you're not only safeguarding yourself against economic downturns, but also exploring new opportunities. Moreover, it allows you to capitalize on different market trends and leverage various skills and assets, leading to a more robust and sustainable financial foundation. Letter D. Debt management. While some debt can be beneficial, it's essential to keep it under control. Focus on paying off high-interest debts and use leverage wisely to increase your wealth. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is crucial. Good debt, such as an investment loan or education financing, can potentially yield returns that outweigh the interest. On the other hand, high-interest consumer debt, like credit card balances, can impede your financial progress. Utilizing debt as a tool for wealth creation, rather than as a burden, involves strategic planning and prudent decision-making, ultimately positioning you to make your money work for you. Letter E. Education and continuous learning. Educate yourself continuously. Investing in your knowledge and skills is a cornerstone for wealth creation. Embrace a lifelong learning mindset, not only through formal education but also via self-study, mentorships, and hands-on experiences. The world is dynamic, and staying updated on industry trends, technological advancements, and market changes is pivotal. Learning equips you with the tools to adapt, innovate, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Remember, your education doesn't just increase your earning potential, but also enhances your decision-making abilities, empowering you to make informed and strategic financial choices. Letter F. Frugality. Practice smart spending and live below your means. Cutting unnecessary expenses allows you to save and invest more, accelerating your path to wealth. However, being frugal isn't merely about austerity. It's about intentional spending. By discerning between what truly adds value to your life and what doesn't, you can channel your resources towards what matters most. It's not about deprivation, but rather about optimizing your spending to align with your priorities. This approach grants you the freedom to allocate your funds toward investments and experiences that foster long-term financial growth, while still enjoying a fulfilling life. Letter G. Generosity. Be generous. It might sound counterintuitive, but giving back can bring unexpected rewards. Whether it's through charity, helping others, or supporting causes, generosity can lead to personal fulfillment and positive connections that might benefit you in the long run. Generosity isn't solely about monetary donations, but also about sharing your time, knowledge, or resources. It creates a ripple effect of goodwill and establishes strong networks, often opening doors to unforeseen opportunities. Additionally, the satisfaction gained from helping others cultivates a sense of abundance and gratitude, which positively influences your overall mindset, potentially attracting more positivity and prosperity into your life. Letter H. Healthy lifestyle. Your well-being is invaluable. A healthy body and mind enable you to work more efficiently, reducing medical expenses and allowing you to focus on wealth creation. Prioritizing your health isn't just about physical fitness. It's about holistic well-being. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient rest rejuvenate your body and mind, enhancing productivity and mental clarity. A healthy lifestyle not only reduces healthcare costs, but also empowers you to invest your time and energy into wealth-building endeavors, fostering a more sustainable and prosperous future. Letter I. Investment strategy. Develop a solid investment strategy. Understand different investment options and create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Building an investment strategy involves thorough research and a clear understanding of your objectives. It's not just about blindly allocating funds, but about tailoring your investments to match your long-term aspirations and risk tolerance. Diversification across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, helps mitigate risk. Moreover, periodic reviews and adjustments to your strategy ensure it aligns with market conditions and your evolving financial ambitions, ultimately bolstering your path to wealth creation. Letter J. Job and career growth. Continuously strive to improve your skills, take on new challenges, and seek opportunities for advancement in your job or profession. Elevating your career involves proactive steps toward personal and professional development. Embrace lifelong learning, whether through formal education, certifications, or on-the-job experiences. Furthermore, networking and seeking mentorship can provide insights into your field, potentially leading to career advancements. Embrace challenges as stepping stones for growth, and be open to exploring new opportunities that align with your career aspirations. By consistently evolving and honing your expertise, you position yourself for greater success and financial rewards in the long run. Letter K. Knowledge sharing. Share your knowledge and expertise. Teaching others not only helps them, but also solidifies your understanding. This can open up new opportunities and networks. Sharing what you know not only contributes to others' growth, but also reinforces your own comprehension. Explaining concepts or mentoring others often leads to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Furthermore, this act of giving back cultivates a network of like-minded individuals and potentially fosters collaborations or connections that might lead to unforeseen opportunities. Embrace the reciprocal nature of knowledge sharing, knowing that by teaching and learning from others, you pave the way for mutual growth and the discovery of new pathways to success. Letter L. Long-term vision. Think long-term. Patience and persistence are key. Building wealth often takes time. Have a clear vision and be willing to play the long game. Maintaining a long-term vision is crucial in the journey toward financial success. It involves setting achievable milestones while understanding that substantial wealth accumulation doesn't happen overnight. Embrace patience as a virtue, knowing that consistent effort and perseverance compound over time. Develop a strategic roadmap that spans years rather than quick wins. By having a clear, long-term vision, you're better equipped to navigate market fluctuations, make informed decisions, and stay committed to your financial goals even in the face of challenges, ultimately paving the way for enduring prosperity. Letter M. Mindset shift. Cultivate a wealth mindset. Positive thinking and a growth-oriented mindset are powerful. Believe in your ability to achieve wealth and success. Shifting your mindset towards wealth involves fostering a positive outlook on your financial goals. It's about acknowledging that wealth isn't solely about money but a mindset centered on abundance, growth, and possibility. Embrace a can-do attitude, recognizing that challenges are opportunities for growth. Visualize success and embody the traits of successful individuals: determination, resilience, and adaptability. By internalizing a wealth mindset, you're not just attracting wealth. You're also empowering yourself to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your aspirations, ultimately paving the way for long-term financial prosperity. Letter N. Networking. Build a strong network. Your connections can be invaluable. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and experts who can support and guide you on your wealth creation journey. Cultivating a robust network isn't solely about the quantity of connections but the quality. Engage with individuals who inspire and challenge you, fostering an environment of mutual growth and support. A diverse network introduces varying perspectives and opportunities, opening doors to collaborations, guidance, and potential ventures. Actively participate in communities, events, and forums relevant to your wealth creation goals. The relationships you build can offer insights, advice, and even partnerships that enhance your journey toward financial success. Letter O. Opportunity seizing. Keep an eye out for potential opportunities. Being open to taking calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. Recognizing opportunities often involves a combination of preparedness and a willingness to embrace calculated risks. Stay vigilant in scanning the landscape for emerging trends, new markets, or innovative ideas. Embrace a mindset that encourages exploration and calculated risk-taking. Understand that not every opportunity will guarantee success, but being proactive and open to new ventures can lead to unexpected growth and rewards. Sometimes the most substantial rewards come from opportunities others might overlook, making it crucial to stay open-minded and agile in your pursuit of wealth creation. Letter P. Patience. Practice patience. Instant wealth is rare. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and stay the course even during challenging times. Building wealth is a journey that requires steadfast commitment and endurance. Understand that significant financial growth often takes time, and overnight success is an exception rather than the rule. Embrace patience as a guiding principle, allowing you to stay resolute in your pursuits, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. By maintaining a patient approach, you give yourself the necessary time to implement strategies, learn from experiences, and adapt, laying the foundation for more sustainable and enduring wealth creation. Letter Q. Quality investments. Focus on quality investments. Conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing. Quality over quantity is key to building lasting wealth. Prioritizing quality investments involves meticulous analysis and informed decision-making. Take the time to research potential investment opportunities, assess their track records, understand market trends, and consider their alignment with your financial objectives. This approach, focusing on the quality of the investment rather than the sheer quantity, ensures a more robust and stable portfolio. Additionally, maintaining a diversified yet high-quality investment profile helps mitigate risks while maximizing the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Letter R. Risk management. Manage risks wisely. Assess and mitigate risks associated with your investments or financial decisions to safeguard your wealth. Understanding risk is integral to wealth creation. It involves a comprehensive evaluation of potential downsides and the implementation of strategies to minimize their impact. Diversification, setting stop-loss orders, and staying informed about market conditions are essential risk management practices. Balancing risk and reward allows for prudent decision-making, ensuring that while seeking opportunities for growth, you're also safeguarding your assets. Embracing a risk management approach not only protects your wealth but also fosters a resilient and adaptive financial strategy. Letter S. Saving discipline. Develop a saving discipline. Consistently saving a portion of your income is essential for wealth creation. It forms the foundation of your financial security. Savings play a fundamental role in building wealth. By adhering to a disciplined savings regimen, you secure resources for investments, emergencies, and future opportunities. Establishing a budget that includes regular savings, setting financial goals, and automating transfers to a savings account are effective practices. Moreover, allocating a specific percentage of your income towards savings reinforces your financial stability, offering a safety net during unforeseen circumstances and providing resources for future wealth-building endeavors. Letter T. Time management. Manage your time effectively. Time is a valuable asset. Prioritize tasks, set goals, and use your time wisely to optimize productivity and maximize wealth-building opportunities. Efficient time management is crucial in wealth creation. Setting clear priorities, creating schedules, and avoiding time-wasting activities allow you to focus on tasks that drive progress toward your financial goals. By utilizing time wisely, you can dedicate efforts to learning, skill development, and networking, ultimately expanding opportunities for wealth creation. Effective time management not only boosts productivity but also allows you to strike a balance between personal life and wealth-building activities, enhancing overall success in both aspects. Letter U. Understanding market trends. Stay informed about market trends. Whether in investing, real estate, or business, understanding market movements and trends is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Monitoring market trends provides valuable insights that aid in strategic decision-making. Keep abreast of economic shifts, technological advancements, and consumer behaviors relevant to your investments or business. Analyzing market movements allows you to adapt your strategies, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and navigate potential risks. Moreover, being well-versed in current market trends fosters a more proactive approach, positioning you to make timely and informed financial decisions, ultimately enhancing your prospects for wealth creation. Letter V. Value creation. Focus on value creation. Whether in your career, business, or investments, aim to provide value. Creating value often leads to increased wealth and success. Generating value is about fulfilling needs or solving problems for others. By offering innovative solutions, quality products, or exceptional services, you enhance your market positioning and attract a loyal customer base. Similarly, in your career, excelling in your role, going beyond expectations, and adding value to projects or organizations can lead to promotions and salary increases. When it comes to investments, identifying companies or ventures that create significant value for their customers or stakeholders often translates to lucrative returns, contributing to long-term wealth creation. Letter W. Work ethic. Hard work, dedication, and consistency are fundamental in achieving financial success. A robust work ethic is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Committing to your goals, staying dedicated, and consistently putting in the effort are crucial elements. It's about going the extra mile, embracing challenges, and being persistent in the pursuit of your ambitions. An unwavering work ethic not only amplifies your professional reputation but also cultivates resilience and fortitude in overcoming obstacles. By prioritizing diligence and discipline in your endeavors, you lay the groundwork for sustained success and increased opportunities for financial growth. Letter X. Explore new opportunities. Don't limit yourself to conventional methods. Be open to exploring innovative and emerging avenues for wealth creation. Innovation often leads to breakthroughs in wealth building. Embrace a mindset that encourages venturing into uncharted territories and novel concepts. It involves being open to diverse investment avenues, disruptive technologies, or untapped markets. Staying adaptable and open-minded to change positions allows you to capitalize on evolving trends and seize opportunities that others might overlook. By exploring new horizons, you expand your potential for growth and diversify your wealth-building strategies, fostering a more resilient and dynamic financial portfolio. Letter Y. Yield optimization. Optimize your yields. Continuously seek ways to improve the returns on your investments and efforts. Look for opportunities to enhance the efficiency and profitability of your endeavors. Maximizing your yields involves fine-tuning your strategies to extract the best possible outcomes from your investments, time, and resources. Regularly reassess and adjust your tactics, considering factors like risk, market conditions, and evolving opportunities. Whether it's optimizing your investment portfolio, refining business operations, or leveraging technological advancements, focusing on yield optimization can significantly boost your overall wealth accumulation. The pursuit of continual improvement and efficiency often results in higher returns, driving you closer to your financial aspirations. Letter Z. Zeal for success. Maintain your zeal for success. Keep your passion alive. Stay motivated, persistent, and enthusiastic about your goals. Your drive and enthusiasm will propel you forward on your path to wealth. Cultivating and nurturing your passion fuels your journey towards success. Embrace each challenge with enthusiasm, allowing your passion to be the driving force behind your actions. Remember, staying motivated during both triumphs and setbacks is essential. This enthusiasm not only sustains your momentum but also positively influences your mindset and perseverance, vital components in achieving your financial aspirations. Keeping your passion alive ensures a consistent pursuit of your goals, transforming aspirations into tangible successes along your wealth-building journey. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to getting rich. But by incorporating these principles into your life, you're setting yourself on the right track towards financial success. I hope these tips have inspired you and provided valuable insights.